Good day and welcome to another techie review. Today we're reviewing the Bost Oral Water Flosser. Looking at the unit from the top, you can see it comes with a flossing tip. This is a general everyday tip. There are additional tips available as accessories. One is a perio tip and the other is an ortho tip. Moving down the unit, you see the smiley face on-off button. This has technically two purposes. In addition to being on and off, it can be also held down to change the modes. The modes available are Turbo, which is the full speed, higher force unit used for deeper cleaning or more thorough cleaning. The standard mode, which is the recommended starting speed until you get used to a water flosser, and then you can move up to Turbo if you want to. It's for general everyday type usage. Maybe your mouth is not quite as, your gums are not quite as full, and use that for that. And then you have a pulse massage mode for light duty cleaning and just wanting to make your, maybe you're doing a midday clean and you just want to make the gums feel better. When the unit gets low on charge, a red plus sign will come on to indicate it's at low charge, in which case you can use the included charger to recharge the unit. Pros: this unit is cordless and it has the convenience of that. The modes are very useful. The cons, I'm going to be kind of on the fence here. The tank is a bit small. Sometimes it's more than enough. Sometimes it's not enough, and you have to refill it. In either case, it is more than a mouthful, so you do have to turn the unit on and off to prevent splashing the room or drowning. Overall, this is a really good unit, and it does the job that it's designed to do, to be able to clean the mouth as an oral flosser. And like I said, it does the job that it's meant to do. Thank you for listening. This has been David with another techie review. Please don't forget, like and subscribe.